The 1985 Buick Regal hasn't moved in more than 6 months. We're going to take it road racing. Let's start getting the tires pumped up, the little inflator's going away. Let me grab some wasp spray because there's too many of those little guys buzzing around. Let's do the responsible thing and check the oil. The answer is, it's got oil. Doesn't look too bad. Let's just run it. Now for the next question. Will it start? Well, that didn't suck that bad, so I guess I'm good. I'm going to check a couple other things real quick. Let's get road racing. So the Regal made it out. We have a problem. Weather is happening, whether we like it or not. But that's okay. We can run in the rain, road racing, not so much drag racing, but we'll get there. The real hiccup is lightning. So we're waiting for some lightning to pass and we'll get out. All right, here we go. We just did the sight lap. I had a look around the track. Let's see how we do. This is the western swing of Utah Motorsports Campus. First one is off the back stretch. It is a long, fast turn. I'm running flat on the floor for all I'm worth. To the outside. Switch sides. Off the gas a little bit. Right to the apex. To the outside. Cut across. I'm going to come off the gas a little bit because this one's a little sharp. Back on the throttle. Right to the outside. We got a left. And I got to catch third because this Buick does not have it in it to run that fast. Off the gas, brakes. Second. We're going to run this just a hair wide. Right to the outside. Back to the apex. Alrighty. This, if I remember right, is the late apex, which creeps up on me. Or no apex, because I can't turn. Brakes. A shade fast it felt like, but it got the job done. I missed the line there. I could have been way further out. Alright, we're going to reel it in here. A little bit of a late apex. And that's what we got. Alright, let's go do that again. Hey, catch that car! Can't do it! The corner marshal wanted me to catch that Mustang. Not a chance. He's running 3 or 4 times the power I am. But you know something? That's okay. We're out here for fun. Roll through this turn nice, flat on the floor. Yeah, right to the outside. That was smooth. Alrighty, I'm going to ease off the gas a little bit. Coming into the apex, back on the floor. Right to the outside. We're going to come in here. I'm going to grab a little bit of brake, settle the front end down. Back on the gas. Right to the outside. Forget I can run that one flat out. We're in third gear because that's all it's got. All right. Off the gas, on the brake, more brake, down to second, into the apex. All right. Making an effort to try and be as smooth as possible here. A little bit of brake. Oh, this is the late apex that I always miss. I always miss that one. there's one turn that is my problem, it is that one there. A little bit of brake, settle it down into the turn. Nice and easy around here. Apex. And we're going to hit this apex also. Woo, that feels like it's starting to slide. Alright, nice and easy around this one. Right to the outside. Dive late into this one. On the floor. Woo! Oh. Yeah, I'm a drag guy. I'd rather go in a straight line, although that is fun. I'm going to pull over and grab a drink for a second, let some of the faster cars go by that don't want to be held up by a Buick. There is one more old car out here. It's a Mustang behind me. It looks like a 68 or so. Not entirely sure what year. But I got this bright green Porsche Cayman in front of me. Guaranteed to be way faster. Let him get him, Bill. Let him get him. Go! Catch him! Catch him! Hurry! I love how the corner guards want me to get after the things in front of me like I really can. No way I'll catch him. Alright. That one's smooth. Off the throttle a little bit. That was a little bit too much too early, but that's okay. Easing off the gas. We're just going to roll through this turn, no brake. I can do that. We're going to catch third here, flat out. Alrighty, here is the one that really slows me down. And I got to stay to the outside after the turn. Off the gas, on the brakes, down a gear. Into the turn. Second. Alright, we're going to stay to the outside a little bit. I'm going to keep it a shade slower than I have in the past because late apex and I still can't hit it. That's okay. On the gas for all it's worth. A little bit of brake, settle the nose down. On the gas. All the turn it's got. A little bit of brake because it feels way too hot. Alright, nice to the outside. Flat on the floor, back off. That's what it's like road racing an 85 Buick Regal with a boring 3.8 V6. At this point, I'm just trying to hit the marks and try and be smooth. It's hard. Welcome to road racing in the rain. You're all set up, wipers are on, track is definitely wet.
Last lap a good one.
I'll try.
Okay, go ahead, buddy. Have fun.
Thank you. Looks like it's probably our last lap, but that's cool. It's wet, it's soggy. The sun is starting to come out, but it is still raining and the track is sogged out. Alright. We're keeping the speed just a little lower because there is no bite anymore. Bite is a figment of our imagination. The other thing is it's very hard to see the groove until you're right on top of it. Woo, doggy! Whoop, that was a little far out. That's okay. Switching sides, off the gas. Apparently we don't have any grip in that turn either. Flat out, flat on the floor. Gonna catch third gear. Woo! Alright, now coming up to the sharp turn. Okay, we're just gonna get off the gas early because it is wet and it is definitely getting slickery. Brakes. Down a gear. And into the turn. Through the turn. Onto this apex here. Right to the outside. Okay, this is the late apex one. I have been not having any grip here with the rain. The groove, I turn the wheel, nothing happens. Whoa! That got a little loose. Brakes into this turn. This one always catches me off because it's apex, out, apex, and then out again, and then one more apex, and then outside. We're just gonna haul it down a little, settle the car down, and this is a long, stick it to the outside kind of turn. By loose, it's more like I find grip and the tail does funny things. I don't have enough power to make it loose, make it drive loose on its own. Alright, here we are, back to the pits. I just wanted to show you a wet lap here at Utah Motorsports Campus. I tell you one thing's for sure, GM built these cars with the 60/40 bench seat for comfort, not for road racing. I am beat. My neck's tired, my back's tired from, keeping myself planted. This isn't exactly a very good seat for holding me in place so I can work on driving. No, there was a fair bit of muscle workout there, keeping myself planted so I could actually drive in a halfway spirited manner. Anyways, guys, the Regal did awesome considering I really haven't driven it in more than 6 months. And I just took it out and beat on it, and it's perfectly happy to do it. I love this car. It's just, it works. Even though it's nothing special with its Buick V6, it's still fun to be able to just go out and do something like that and not have to worry about it. Anyways, guys, I'm headed home. Thanks for watching. I will catch you next time.